Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our genetics topic. In the previous video, already we have studied about that. What is meant by genetics? What is meant by heredity, variation, and number of chromosomes, and the father of genetics means you have study, you have know about that the genetics. Genetics में क्या सीखा बेटा हमने? Genetics is a study of transmission of body characters, both similar and dissimilar, for parents to the offspring. In this video, we are going to study about that the sex determination, chromosomes, genes, phenotype, genotypes, genes and allele, and sex-linked inheritance. Let us move toward the today's topic. First upon, we will see the sex determination. In the previous video, I taught about that the chromosomes. Okay, in human being there are 23 pair of chromosomes. I show in figure also. Out of 23, 22 pair of chromosome is the autosomes. Autosomes means what, student? All the chromosomes have a homologous in pair. Homologous means the chromosome have a same shape and size. This chromosome is called as the homologous chromosome. And the 23rd pair of chromosomes is called as the sex chromosomes. Got it? Means, let us see, student. In the previous classes, we have studied about that the meiosis. By the process of meiosis, the cell division of the sex chromosome. Got it? Means in the sex chromosome, haploid number of chromosome means C. In male have a 23 chromosome, and in female 23 chromosome, not a pair, only 23 number of chromosome, means it is the haploid number of chromosomes. Haploid chromosome. Okay, when the male and female cell means from the eggs, from male, female and sperm from eggs, when these eggs and sperm fuse and form a zygote, and each zygote have a 23 pair of chromosome. Got it? Means each chromosomes, each pair is contain one from mother and one from father chromosome. Means see, we have seen this is the chromosome. This is the pair of chromosome we have seen in the previous video. Means these two chromosomes are similar to each other. These pair, one chromosome from male and one chromosome from female. Got it? Means the zygote is made up of the fusion of male gametes and female gametes. Means each and every pair of chromosome, one chromosome from mother and one chromosome from father. Means out of 23, the 22 pair of chromosome is called as the autosomes, and these 22 pair is responsible for made the part of our body. Means ये जो 22 पेयर है बेटा, इससे हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट बनते हैं. Got it? And the last 23rd pair of chromosome is called as the sex chromosomes, and these 23rd pair of the sex chromosome is responsible for the detect the sex of the offspring. Means the baby boy will be reproduced or baby girls will be produced. Got it? How does it happen? I will explain you. Means देखो बेटा, now we have studied only about the 23rd pair. अभी हम बस 23rd pair की बात कर रहे बेटा. देखो, in the male, the 23rd pair in the male have two types of the chromosome. One is the X chromosome and another is the Y chromosome. Got it? And in female, both X chromosome, two pair of X chromosome. Got it? When the fusion of the X chromosome with female X chromosome, then the two XX chromosomes, see, means this sperm is carry the X chromosome, and in female also have a X chromosome. When the fusion of these XX chromosome, the baby daughter will be produced, means female child will be produced. Got it? And when the Y chromosome fuse with the X chromosome, means what is the pair? XY. And these XY pair of chromosomes, fusing of the XY pair of chromosome, the baby boy will be produced. Got it? Means these 23rd pair of chromosomes are determined the offspring will be boy or offspring will be गर्ल्स. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन कैसे होता है? जो 23rd पेयर होती है, इट इज़ डिटरमाइन द बेबी गर्ल्स और बेबी बॉय विल बी प्रोड्यूस. फीमेल में दोनों भी एक्स क्रोमोजोम्स होते हैं, एग्स में और स्पर्म में एक्स और वाई. मीन्स आउट ऑफ ऑल द स्पर्म हाफ एक्स क्रोमोजोम एंड हाफ फॉर वाई क्रोमोजोम. अगर एक्स फ्यूज हो गया, मीन्स एक्स फ्रॉम मेल एंड एक्स फ्रॉम फीमेल, एंड दीज पेयर फ्यूज टू ईच अदर, तो बेबी गर्ल्स प्रोड्यूस होती है. और अगर मेल से वाई क्रोमोजोम और फीमेल से एक्स क्रोमोजोम फ्यूज हो, मीन्स एक्स वाई क्रोमोजोम फ्यूज हो, तो बेबी बॉय विल बी प्रोड्यूस. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? What is the sex determination? Next topic is the chromosome. Means we have seen in the last video I told about that the human being reproduce human being, dog reproduce dog, puppy, cat reproduce kitten. I told you this is the responsible for the same species or reproduce same species is the chromosomes. In the last video I explained about that dog पपी को ही रिप्रोड्यूस करता है. वाई? बिकॉज द सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोजोम्स. गॉट इट? बट इन द कैट फैमिली, द डॉग, lion, the tiger, lion, cat, leopard, hyena means all are belong from the cat family, and all the organisms have a 38 pair of chromosomes. 38 pair of chromosomes. Then all 4 organisms are different in body features, behavior, physical appearance. Then in the scientists are understood, means another things is very important, very responsible for the outcome of the organism, outcome of the chromosome numbers. Got it? Means these things is present in the chromosome is called as the genes. Means देखो बेटा, it is the cat family, means all the cat family have a 38 pair of chromosome. Then the lion is a different from tiger is a different from cat is different from leopard. Then how does it outcome? So it is the outcome of the genes. Means the chromosome is not only responsible for the characteristics of the species, the genes is responsible for the characteristics of the species. Means see beta, I will explain in human being. All human being have a 23 pair of chromosomes, but all are not similar to each other. Each and every human beings have a different from each other. Means all have a nose, one nose, 2 eyes, one mouth, 2 ears, but their structure, their shapes, their size are different from each other. How does it happen? Means it happen is due to the genes. जीन्स मैंने बेटा आपको सेल डिवीजन में भी सिखाया था. जीन्स मीन्स व्हाट? जीन्स इज द पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए. जीन्स क्या होता है? जीन्स इज द पर्टिकुलर segment of DNA, and it is carry the coding message from parents to the offspring. Got it? Means the DNA is the long thread like of the DNA we have seen in the cell division. This particular part of DNA is called as the gene, and these particular part have contained the coding message for the characters, body features from parents to the offspring. Understood student? What is mean by gene? See, genes is a specific part of DNA. of the chromosomes and which determine the heredity character. According means we have two types of the chromosome, X and Y. X chromosome have a largest number of genes. 2968 number of genes are present in the X chromosome, and Y chromosome is the fewest number, 231 number of genes are present in the Y chromosome. Got it? And what is mean by genome? Genome means what beta? देखो, we have seen the cell have a nucleus. Nucleus contain the chromatin thread, and when the cell is going to cell division, these chromatin threads are condensed and convert into the chromosome. We have seen the chromosomes is made from the long thread of DNA. This long thread of DNA is called as the genome. Understood? What is meant by genome? Genome is the full complements of the DNA. We have seen the chromosomes are made from the histone and DNA thread. The full length of DNA thread is called as the genome. Understood what is meant by genome? And see student, we have seen we all offspring is made from our parents, means the fusion of male gamete and female. Means see, there have given the tongue roll example. Means the tongue roll means tongue is the character. Tongue is a character. Someone can roll it, someone can't roll it. What it means? Offspring. It is offspring. These offspring have contain the characters of mother and the genes of the father. मीन्स जो भी ऑफस्प्रिंग होता है बेटा, उसके हर एक कैरेक्टर्स में टू अल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म्स होते. दीज टू अल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म, वन गेट फ्रॉम मदर and one get from father. Means see, I will give example. If the mother can roll the tongue and father cannot roll the tongue, and whenever the offspring which is made from father and mother, means which is made from the fusion of male and female gamete, means both characters are present in the offspring. Tongue rolling also and tongue cannot rolling also. Got it? Means each and every genes, means देखो बेटा, one characters means tongue rolling example, ये है offspring. Tongue rolling genes come from his mother, and another tongue cannot rolling genes come transmit from the father. Means the offspring have a two alternative form of genes. Two alternative form of genes. These two alternative form of genes is called as the allele. Allele means the alternative form of genes, because each and every offspring have a two alternative form. One form is get from mother and one form is get from father. Means the offspring have their one character have a two alternative form. These alternative form of genes is called as a allele. Got it? What is mean by allele? Allele means the alternative form of the genes is called as a allele. Means see, eyes color. Eye color is a character. I will show you. Eye color is a character. See what is mean by allele. Allele is a different possible form given from the parents. Allele means, for example, the eye color. The mother eye color is a black and father eye color is a brown. Means the offspring get both genes from both parents. Brown color characters, brown color eyes genes get from father, and black color black eye color genes get from mother. And when the two alternative form is present in the offspring, got it? Means each and every parts of the body, means see, height is the character. Height is the character. The person may be tall, the person may be short. Means each and every characters. See, someone is the left handedness, someone is the right handedness. It is also, if the mother is a left handedness, father is a right handedness, the child may be left hand or may be right hand. Means why? Because its genes contain two alternative form and these two alternative form is called as a allele. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको allele क्या है? Allele is the alternative form of genes because each and every offspring is made from fusion of male and female gametes. So each and every offspring have contain the two types of the two set of genes. Got it? And this is called as the allele. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको what is mean by allele? There are two types of the allele. See, two types of the allele: dominant allele and recessive allele. Dominant allele means the allele which express itself. This allele is called as the dominant allele. And recessive allele, the allele, it is not express itself but it is present in the genes. See, I will explain you. This is the Punnett square. Punnett square means what? It is the diagrammatic, simple diagrammatic representation of the gametes. See beta, we have studied about the tall and shortness. देखो, if the father is a tall, and जो alleles होते बेटा, see, dominant and recessive. Dominant means जो express करते हैं, it is called as the dominant allele. And recessive means this is not expressed but this allele is present in the genes. And dominant allele always we show in the capital letter. Got it? And the recessive allele we have show in the small letter. Means देखो बेटा, I will give one example. If your father is a tall, your mother is a short. Imagine your father is a tall and your mother is a short. The offspring is also tall. Father is a tall, mother is a short. हम रिसेसिव allele को स्मॉल लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. द ऑफस्प्रिंग इज ऑल्सो टॉल. वाई इट इज टॉल? बिकॉज इट कंटेन द डोमिनेंट alleles and dominant allele always express itself. जीन्स में अगर डोमिनेंट allele प्रेजेंट है मीन्स डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर इज प्रेजेंट इन द फादर एंड रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर इज प्रेजेंट इन द मदर. And when the offspring is a taller, why? Because it contain the dominant allele and dominant allele always express itself. And recessive, it can't express itself but it is present in the gene. देखो तो offspring में क्या हुआ बेटा? offspring में दोनों भी कैरेक्टर्स है, tall भी है short भी है, but tall is a dominant, so the offspring is a tall but its genes contain the shortness characters also present and it will be expressed in the next generation. Got it? Dominant and recessive समझ में आ गया आपको? Dominant allele means जो allele means I told you allele means two alternative forms of the genes are present in each characters and each allele is get from father and each from mother. Dominant means जो express होता है means see, if your eyes like your mother, आपका eyes का कलर black है, your mother eyes color is also black, your father eyes color is a brown, your mother eyes color is a dominant, so it express in the offspring. So the offspring have a black in color. Father brown color eyes is a recessive, so it is not expressed in the offspring but in the genes these alleles are present. समझ में आ गया बेटा? आपकी मदर की आंखें ब्लैक है और आपकी फादर की आंखें ब्राउन है. आपकी आंखें ब्लैक है मीन्स ब्लैक इज अ डोमिनेंट. ब्लैक क्या है? डोमिनेंट allele है और ब्राउन इज अ रिसेसिव allele है. तो एक्सप्रेस कौन सा हुआ बेटा ऑफस्प्रिंग में? डोमिनेंट. सो द ऑफस्प्रिंग आईज हैव अ ब्लैक इन कलर. उसके जीन्स में ब्राउन कलर के allele भी प्रेजेंट हैं which express mixed may be in the next generation. Understood what is mean by dominant and recessive allele? This is the Punnett square. means देखो means we have offspring, we are means देखो यहाँ पे father और mother, father represent and this is the mother represent. Both have a tall. father is also tall, mother is also tall. Why? Because it contains the one dominant allele. मदर भी टॉल है, फादर भी टॉल है. वाई? बिकॉज इट कंटेन द वन डोमिनेंट allele. What happen when there are 4 offspring? Whenever the fusion of their gametes, TT, this is a dominant. Capital T, small t, this is a dominant. Capital T, small t, this is a dominant. And small t, this is a recessive. These 4 are a dominant. Means out of 4 child, 3 is a taller. 3 is a taller. And only 1 child is a shorter. Only 1 child is a shorter. Means it is the fusion of genes. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? मीन्स देखो, फादर इज अ टॉल, मदर इज अ टॉल, बट दे आर हेरिडेट द शॉर्टनेस characters from their parents. So in their genes have a recessive character also, and these recessive characters are expressed in the next generation in their offspring. So there have a, this is the homologous dominant. ये क्या है बेटा? homologous dominant है. There also have a 2 types, homologous dominant, heterozygous. homozygous dominant and heterozygous dominant. Dominant के भी 2 types है. One is the homozygous dominant and another is the heterozygous. This is the capital T, capital T. Capital T, capital T is the homozygous dominant. Capital T is a capital T, homozygous dominant. And the capital T, small t, it is the heterozygous dominant. Means it contain both dominant character. It contain the fusion of taller and short. Means यहाँ पे both allele is a capital, so it is called as the homozygous dominant. Means similar pair, similar capital T, capital T. It is also, the person is also taller, because why? Capital T dominant character is present in the genes, but 2 different characters, capital T, small t, so it is called as the heterozygous dominant. Means out of 4, 3 offspring is a taller. Got it? 3 offspring is a taller. Why? Because the capital T, the dominant allele, is present in the genes, and only 1 is the shorter. This is also homozygous recessive. This is the dominant character, this is the recessive character. It is also same small t, it is called as the homozygous recessive. Got it, student? What is the genes? What is the alleles? Understood? Let me see. I told you the tongue rolling example. Father can roll the tongue, mother cannot roll her tongue. And their offspring, see, देखो, for example, father, I will make the new father. This is the father and there is the mother. Father can roll his tongue, so both are a dominant character, and mother cannot roll her tongue, both are a smaller. What is the possibility? When the fusion of male and female gamete, capital R, small r, capital R, smaller, capital R, smaller, and capital R, smaller. Means देखो, capital R, smaller, capital R, smaller. Capital R means all 4 offspring can roll their tongue. 4 offspring can roll their tongue. How it is possible? Because each and every offspring have a dominant character. Capital R is present. Capital R is a dominant. So the dominant characters are express itself. So all 4 offspring can roll their tongue. But in their genes also present the recessive characters also. Recessive characters भी उनके genes में present हैं. All can roll their tongue, but maybe in the next generation their offspring, out of 2-3 offspring, the 1 offspring cannot roll their tongue. समझ में आ गया बेटा? Father is a dominant and mother is a recessive. when the fusion of their gametes, four offspring and four offspring have a heterozygous dominant, means all have a dissimilar pair. Dissimilar, capital R and small r. Capital R is a dominant character, capital R is a dominant character. So four offspring can roll their tongue. Got it? In the next generation, what happened? In the next generation, father and mother, both father and mother can roll their tongue. Why? Because both genes contain the dominant allele. दोनों के ही जीन्स में डोमिनेंट अलील प्रेजेंट है. बट व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन द फ्यूजन ऑफ द मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स, द कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर कैपिटल आर एंड स्मॉल आर मीन्स what is the genotypes? Genotypes means beta देखो what is the phenotypes ratio? Phenotypes means the genetically express the observable characters. Observable means देखो अभी यहाँ पे 4 offspring है, RR capital R small r capital R small r. These 3 are can roll their tongue. This means this is the observable character. Observable characters, which characters we can observe. Means यहाँ पे out of 4 offspring, 3 offspring can roll their tongue. Means observable character, observable ratio is called as the phenotypes. Means what is the phenotypes? Means the set of genes present. Phenotypes means observable characters which called phenotypes, and genotypes means genetically present in the cell of the organism is called as the genotypes. Means देखो what is the phenotypes ratio? Phenotypes ratio is a 3 and genotypes is a 1. Means what is the ratio of this offspring? 3:1. Means 3 offspring can roll their tongue and 1 offspring cannot roll their tongue. This is the phenotype. Phenotypes means beta the observable characters, observable characteristics. This is called as the phenotypes. यहाँ पे देखो here is a both are dominant. Here one dominant one recessive, one dominant one recessive. But dominant ही क्या करता है? Express करता है. So both can roll their tongue. Then observable है ना, tongue roll कर रही है. It is observable characters. Tongue roll हो रही है, but it genes contain also cannot tongue rolling characteristics. Means phenotypes means observable and genotypes means genetically present in the set of genes. यहाँ पे only one is the genotypes, RR. They cannot roll their tongue. Understood? What is the phenotype and what is the genotypes? Phenotypes means what? The express the characters, and the genotypes means the genetically constituents the characters in the genes. It is called as the genotypes ratio. Understood? Whenever I am teaching to the monohybrid, dihybrid cross, then you will better understand what is the phenotypes and what is the genotypes. समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? Next important topic of this lesson is called as the sex link inheritance. Sex link inheritance means what, student? It is the appearance of the traits which due to the presence of allele either on the X chromosome either on the Y chromosome. Means ऐसे कोई alleles होते बेटा जो X chromosome पे present होते, otherwise वो Y chromosome पे present होते. This have also some disorder. This cause due to the heredity is a transfer from parents to the offspring. Means see example of diabetes. Some diabetes person, their offspring also causes the diabetes. Not all, some out of 2-3 offspring, one have a caused by a disorder. Then how does it happen? It is the X-link inheritance. These causes is called as the X-link inheritance. This is the disorder of the X-link inheritance. For example, the color blindness, hemophilia. Hemophilia means the disorder is a genetically disorder which are a bleeding means the person cannot stop the bleeding. Their platelets are not able to clot the blood. So if they have any injury, the blood is a continuously bleeding till to the death. This disorder is called as the hemophilia, and this hemophilia is transfer. This disease is a transfer from parents to the offspring. Color blind is also X-linked inheritance. X-linked inheritance means beta, देखो we have seen in mother have a XX chromosome, in father have a XY chromosomes. ऐसे कुछ डिसऑर्डर होते हैं जो बस X क्रोमोजोम्स पे ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं, X क्रोमोजोम पे ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं, आणि वही X क्रोमोजोम्स वही डिसऑर्डर ट्रांसमिशन करते हैं पेरेंट्स टू द X offspring. This is called as the X-linked inheritance. And the hemophilia, color blindness, this is the defective due to this disorder is a receive genes from the parents to the offspring, and this disorder mostly these disorders are appear in the male. How does it happen? Let us see the explanation with the diagram. See beta, we have studied about that the color blindness. See, she is the normal mother, means mother is a not color blind, she is a normal. Got it? Means her eggs contain XX chromosome, and the father is a color blind. Why? Because the father genes have only one X chromosome, mother have a 2X chromosome. The mother gametes have a 2X chromosome, and in the father is a only 1X chromosomes. When means see, both mother have only 1X chromosome. When the fusion of mother and father gametes, there are 4 offspring. What it happen? देखो, this is the father and this is a mother. X in father have only 1X chromosome, and X inheritance means it chromosomes have a disorder, the color blindness जो genetic disorder है which is present in the father is a color blind, and mother is a normal. The out of 4, see, the daughter because the fusion of XX chromosome, the son because the fusion of XY chromosome, again the daughter fusion of XX, and the boy XY chromosome. What happened beta? In the father the X chromosome have a genetically disorder, color blindness. All 4 offspring are a normal. 4 offspring have a normal. How does it happen? Because the daughter have a 2XX chromosome. Already the 1X chromosome is a normal, so she is not color blind, and the color blindness X chromosome is a recessive, it will not express. So the female is a not color blind, but she is a carrier. How does it carrier? Because its genes contain, one is the normal X chromosome and one is the genetically color blindness character chromosome. Got it? Son is a normal because why? The son get the X chromosome from mother. This X chromosome is a normal and Y chromosome is a normal. So the son is a normal. Because mother is a normal. So X chromosome is a present in the son. Both X chromosome is a normal. So the son is a normal. Daughter is also normal. Both daughter are not color blind. Both are a normal in vision. But their genes contain the color blindness allele. In the next generation, when the next generation, the carrier mother, means carrier mother कैरियर मदर मीन्स बेटा द मदर इज नॉट कलर ब्लाइंड, शी इज अ नॉर्मल. वो जो मदर है शी इज नॉट कलर ब्लाइंड, शी इज अ नॉर्मल, बट हर जीन्स कंटेन the color blindness genetic disorder is present. It get from the father, she get from the father. And what happened when the carrier daughter married with the normal son, normal boy, means the carrier female is married with the normal male. What happened? Both the fusion of their chromosomes, the carrier daughters will be produced, because the mother is a contain genetic color blindness disorder chromosomes also present in the mother, and father have a normal chromosome. So the one daughter is a carrier, one son is a color blind. Why? Because son contain only one character, one X chromosome, and these one X chromosome which genetically color blindness disorder are present in it, which is fused with the Y chromosomes, and the one boy is the color blind. Got it? Because why? बेटा इसमें एक ही एक्स क्रोमोजोम है, और जो एक्स क्रोमोजोम एक ही है वो भी डिफेक्टिव है. These X chromosome have a color blindness genetic disorder. So the boy is the color blind. Got it? In the female, it also contains the genetic X chromosome color blindness disorder, but another normal X chromosome is also present. So the normal X express, it is a dominant. So she is not color blind, but she is a carrier. Maybe next generation still express the color blindness characteristics. Another normal X chromosome fused with the normal X chromosome in male, the normal daughter is produced. Normal X chromosome and normal Y chromosome fuse, the normal son is produced. Understood? And what happened next if both means देखो, let us see. I will explain another one example. Father is a color blind. Father is the color blind. And mother is the carrier. She is not color blind, but she is a carrier, because carrier means the color blindness character is a present her genes. What happened? In the fusion of the male and female gamete, one daughter is a carrier as well as she is a color blind. Fusion of both colorblind genetic disorder present in these both chromosome, X chromosome. So the daughter become a colorblind and carrier also. Another son is the colorblind, because why? X disorder chromosomes are fused with the Y. The son will be produced, but it is the colorblind. Daughter is a colorblind and carrier also. In the next, another daughter is a normal, but she is a carrier, because why? Her genes is contain also color blindness disorder, and out of 3, one is the normal boy. Got it? This is the third possibility, when the fusion of the color carrier daughter, carrier female, and color blind male. Understood, student? What it is called as the sex inheritance, sex link inheritance. Sex link inheritance means what, beta? When the fusion of male and female gametes, if the X chromosome have some genetic disorder, and this genetic disorder is a transmission from parents to the offspring, and mostly it is affected by the male. Why? Because the male contain only one X chromosome, and if these one X chromosome have a defective, means the one X chromosome have a X link, then the person is the disorder. Some person have a means hemophilia, color blindness. This is the genetically disorder, and this genetically disorder is expressed due to the X link inheritance. Understood, student? Whatever taught today in this video, I taught about that the genes and alleles, dominant alleles, recessive allele, genotype, phenotypes, and sex link, inheritance, and sex determination. In the next video, I will explain the Mendel's experiment on the inheritance in both dihybrid and monohybrid cross. Thank you, student.